I've been there. I tell you, I've been there. But then listen for this. Hi guys, Kaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today guys, we will be doing a different video and I'm going to show to you some tips and tricks on how to earn in YouTube step by step. Yes, I will be sharing to you how to earn on your YouTube video step by step, especially for beginners. So if you're interested to know and to learn, so please keep on watching. So the reason that I decided to make this video, even if it is not really on my niche, I just wanted to help a lot of people out there, because before I'm also struggling on this area, and of course nobody's teaching us on how to do these things. And I really appreciate as well people thanking me or messaging me on. A lot of my friends said that all I said was really helping them. So I'm really happy if I will be sharing this to you as well, guys. First guys, is I really wanted you to start, if you're really planning to hop on into YouTube videos, making YouTube videos, make a video, make an account for YouTube, and make sure that you have a Gmail account, because that will be associated in your YouTube videos. And while we're on that topic, ito na, please make sure to make a Google Adsense account as well. So why I need to do Google Adsense? Well, you need to have a Google Adsense in preparation for your upcoming income. So YouTube pays YouTuber on Google Adsense or through Google Adsense. And if you're a beginner, so you really need to have that Google Adsense. Make sure that you link your YouTube account to your Google Adsense and all your websites. If you do have your website link as well, link it in your Google Adsense. And next to that topic, you have your Google Adsense, you have your YouTube account that you need to create, because while you're working on your YouTube, trying to reach a certain goal so that you'll be monetized, Google AdSense is not that easy, especially for the approval. You will need to wait for verification of your Google AdSense. So, if i-delay nyo to, if you're going to delay your Google AdSense, there's a tendency that your channel is already generating income, but then your Google AdSense is not yet, or you don't have Google AdSense and not yet verified Google AdSense, you will have a problem on getting your income because it will take time for approval. So, as of this moment, for example, you have your Google AdSense already, so you're preparing your field already while preparing your YouTube account. So we're going to go to our next step, which is the metrics for your YouTube in order for the Google AdSense to generate, in order for Google AdSense to generate as well income. Okay, so yung YouTube account mo, try to make or try to create, number 2, create videos which is under your niche. Hanap kayo ng mga niche na you're very well versed or gusto nyong pag-usapan. And then, promise me guys, ito yung weakness ko, kasi when it comes to niche, talagang lifestyle ako, beauty lifestyle. I do beauty lifestyle events, makeup tutorials, because I'm also a makeup artist. I make videos for my clients, prenuptial shoot, and I also attend events. So marami akong category. So that's preventing me to grow as well, because though nag-grow naman ako pa onti-onti, but then I tell you guys, niche is really nice in your channel if you really want to grow that fast. Find your niche and then build your audience. Always call to action, subscribe to this channel, click that notification bell, click that subscribe button. Always say that one. And then after that call to action, you already have your niche. Your goal right now is to reach 1,000 subscribers. A lot of people are really said that it's hard to reach 1,000 subscribers, but if you're persistent with your niche, it's really really fast, guys, I tell you. And there are a lot of YouTube groups, especially on FB, that can help you as well. So there are a lot of people who wanted to help you as well and build your audience, share your videos to all your social media so that a lot of people will be able to see it as well. Another thing for the YouTube metrics is you need to reach 4,000 watch hours. Not minutes, but hours. So guys, ito na. Sinasabi na iba, ang tagal. It's super hard to get that 4,000 subscribers. I've been there. I tell you, I've been there. But then listen for this, okay? So this really helps me a lot, and I also helped a lot of people with this. Please, if you really want to reach that one, please try to do live. Live videos in YouTube really rocket your watch time, guys. And share that live videos to your friends and talk about your niche. Grabe, it really helps me a lot. Live videos helps me a lot. Share to your friends, share to your social media, and to tell you, ang dali talaga mag-reach ng 4,000 watch hours. Share. Sharing is caring. And then good caption as well. And then after that, so paunti-unti, little by little, you reach that goal, which is 1,000, 4,000, and you're trying to have that Google AdSense approved. So by the time that you're approved for that, maybe you're on 80% of your goal of 1,000 or 4,000. After this, while waiting for that, Google AdSense will send you verification PIN. And this is the next step. Verification PIN. How are you going to deal with it? There's a lot of people asking me, how do you get your PIN? And a lot of people are having problems on this because it will be emailed, not emailed, it will be mailed to you at the post office, and mostly, I don't know if what happened, marami akong nare-receive sa friends ko na hindi dumating. So I suggested to them, because I really struggled on this part. Verification PIN sa YouTube is that go to your Google AdSense, check the address, and if you didn't receive it, there's a time duration for it. Just check your Google AdSense. They will say that if you're not going to receive it, that's the time you're going to request again a verification PIN. Don't worry, the PIN that they're going to send to you is just the same, but then you're just asking for it because you did not receive it. Because that's my problem before, because I don't know my address. I was living before at my the house of my auntie, and the address is, I don't know, they can't locate it, or I wasn't able to retrieve the mail on the post office and it was lost. So I requested again, and they're going to say that you're going to wait for 1 to 2 weeks, I guess. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm going to flash it on the screen. And after that, all I did is just I waited for 2 to 3 days and re-request again. So I think I requested 4 times. Request, and after that, because my channel is already generating income, after that, they sent me a question. They asked me to send a screenshot of any of the valid billing address, a billing statement, account statement, statement of accounts, so that they could verify. So that's the time that you're going to send to them, and then you will be verified automatically. Your income will be placed in your Google AdSense. And guys, I tell you, I teach it on my co-YouTuber friends, which is having problems with the verification PIN, and it really worked very fine for them, and they're happily receiving their income as well. So I challenge you. This is very I think nobody's sharing about this on YouTube, about regarding PIN, so you could thank me later. You're going to face this problem sooner. Okay, if you're really trying to build your audience, build your niche, share, and then watch time, do live videos. It is really effective. And guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this video helps you in a way, and you could thank me later. Comment down below if this helps you, and maybe 2 to 3 months or 3 months you will be earning as well. So fighting! Even small YouTubers can earn in YouTube. So don't be dismayed, don't be discouraged, and fight. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you will be notified if I'm going to upload videos. Bye-bye for now. See you soon in my next video. Sarang he! Mwah!